Hey guys, Jen here from Raven Lumen Paper 2, sharing with you my 4th of July swap hosted by Beck's Crafting World. The requirements were 1 mini banner, 1 beaded element, 3 crafter's choice items, 2 crafty store bought items, and creative packaging. And it was make 1 get 1 or make 2 get 2. I made 1, and of course I made 1 for Beck as well, so that she didn't have to open the one for my partner. And I'm sharing with you right now the one that I did make for my partner, and they are almost exactly the same, except I personalized Beck's a little more with like her name and stuff like that. And this is how I'm sending everything. This is how everything is packaged up. For the bag, this is just a little clear plastic bag, and I have added some eyelets, and I have made a little chain. I've used some foam, and I've cut out little pennants, and I've cut out the USA to put on there, and I've added little star sequins as dangles on there. And that is how I have chose to decorate the front of the bag. And then for the side here, I have a, I believe it's called like a bookmark clip for the ribbons, and I have this white frilly one, this red satin one, navy, and then the gold rickrack, and then I have a little charm hanging from there as well. Let's go ahead and get into opening some of the bag. Alright, the first few things in here are pretty simple. This guy right here is actually a, I guess like ornament. And he is just a little sailor boy holding some some fireworks. And then this is how I have packaged my dangle. And this is just a cut file I made using my Cricut. And then I take it and I have little bread ties and I attach them to the paper. And I've added a few stickers from a Hobby Lobby sticker set. And I have some American flag beads, some red, white, and blue. Definitely a bunch of little stars here. I've used some of the alpha beads to spell out USA, and I have a few charms as well. We have a little star, we have a bow, and I just kept everything within that red, white, and blue theme. And I didn't actually have a collection for the specific holiday, so I just went and got some of the like 59-cent papers from Hobby Lobby, and that is what this entire thing is done with. Here is a sequin mix that I made to go with the swap that I'm sending. This was one of my crafter's choice items, and I also made this guy using a I designed a cut file on Cricut, and it's just a little holder for these little holographic bags to hold the sequin mix. And the sequin mix is of course red, white, and blue sequins, as well as some gold. And then I have a little clay mix with American flags and white stars and some blue sprinkles in there as well. And in this little bag here I have some rosettes, and these rosettes are made with a Timu die, and they have little stars around the edges of them, and then in the center of them I went ahead and I've added a little star. For this guy right here, I have my bag fell. I have made a little shaker, and it's a fireworks stand. Let's see. And it just, I used my computer and I just typed out Uncle Sam's fireworks stand in red and blue font. And then I added some of the sticker paper over the top and cut it out with the die that goes with this little stand here. And at the top I went ahead and made the little banner of flags, red, white, and blue as well. And I've got that sequin mix that I have sent in my swap in the little shaker here. I am gifting a set of the gems, the 4th of July gems, and they are shaped like stars, and they are red, white, and blue. For one of my other crafter's choice, I made some like Stanley looking cups. And I have backed these guys on some foam, and they are, they have pattern paper on the back as well. It's kind of layered up. This little die is from Temu, and the little straw topper there is a star. And I've used some stickers from the Hobby Lobby 4th of July collection on the tumblers, and I've added little dangles to the side of them, some more of the star sequin. We have some stacked beads here and a flag bead, and then the other one is pretty similar, but I did red on top instead of the blue, so they alternate a little bit. I have also made some pennants that I am sending. They are also backed on some foam, and so they're nice and thick. On this one I used that star rosette, but I only used a portion of it so that there are stars hanging from the banner, and then I cut out USA in 2 different color papers, and so it looked kind of like a shadow to them, and I've sewn all around the banner. This is a KS craft die, and for this guy I went ahead and I just cut out 1776, and I have stitched around it with white thread, and I used the little scallop die. I think this one's from like Ally or something, and I went ahead and attached it to this one so that there's a fun little thing hanging from each of them. I also made some pinwheel bows out of some ribbon that I had to go with the swap, and I just added a little button to the center of each of them, and they are on little twist ties so they can be added to whatever project. For the bag topper here, this is also a KS Craft bag topper. It's supposed to be like a shaker one, but I take the inset and I put it on top to give it more dimension, and I've used the little banner bow die here, and I've spelled out USA with some little stamps. I'm also including this little pick just to give it a fun little firework effect. It is also from like Hobby Lobby, and the way I'm sending my banner is I just have it wrapped in some red and white twine, and she can turn around and use that twine to hang the banner with. Hold on, I'll do it for you. And I went and I've watched some of the videos, and I did not make mine as many as everyone else's. I guess mine's like a full-size banner here, but it just says USA, and we're alternating with the red on the bottom and the blue on the top there. And then for the bottom of this one, I have some star ribbon I've added, and on the bottom of this one it's just like a die cut that is like a scallop shape. And around each of the frames I have used embroidery thread and sewn around the frames. And then for the USA portion of them, this is some tinsel paper I had from American Crafts. I had bought it a long time ago, back at like Tuesday morning, and I never knew what to use it for, but I thought that it looked really great with this. So that's what I have decided to use it for. And the very last thing in the bag here, the last thing that I'm actually sending to her, is this pack of stickers from Hobby Lobby that are all American themed, patriotic themed. That's just a quick look at everything that I'm sending out in this swap. If you have any questions, please be sure to ask them down below, and I will get back with you and let you know. Of course, please like and share this video if you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you.